Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about map and flat map. What is the use of map? What is the use of flat map? So as you can see over the screen, map and flat map both are the intermediate operation offered by the stream in java.util.stream.Stream package. So you can see this map and flat map both are the intermediate operations, not a terminate operation. So map, what is the uses of map? What is the definition of map if we see in java 8 or java? So map generates a single value against an input. Okay, so here you can say map generate is a generating is going to generate one single value against your input. Flat map generates zero or any number of value against an input. If you are talking about in the simple words, flat map is used for display the list of a list data into a single list. This is a simple definition of flat map. It is used for display the list of a list data into a single list. So we'll go with example also how flat map works and how map works. So you can see this diagram. We have a list of item. From the Amazon we have a laptop and phone, and from the eBay we have a mouse and keyboard. So list of item we have a laptop, phone, mouse and keyboard. So now uh, that whatever that item is there, we are going to store into a list: laptop, phone, mouse and keyboard, and we are going to process the data using map. So and after that we are going to return data as a list format, so we will use collect. Now this is for map, how map is going to be used and what kind of output will come. So if you see this list is one, we have a list one, and this one we have a list two. So if you are using map and we have two list, and that two list we have a different item. So list one and list two, you can see whenever we are going to process this data with map, then the output will become like this: laptop, phone with one list, and mouse, keyboard with one list. So here you can see whatever the data is there into a list, but the same kind of data is going to display. Okay, it's not going to be convert your data into a single list. But if you see, if you use flat map, then the difference you will see here, that list, all the lists will be converted into a single list. If you can see, so here we'll discuss this. Here also we have a list of item: laptop, phone, mouse, keyboard. All the item we are going to process with the stream, and this list one I have, list two I have. And after using flat map, what is happening here, this all list one and list two is going to merge that list. If you'll see, merge that list into a single list that we are calling only one list. So the output will be like in one list, the all the item will be display, this four item will be get display in one list. So this is the example with the diagram. Now we'll work on code, how the code will work for this one. Okay, and how to this code will give you the exact output. So we'll start do coding for this one. So we'll create one project, new project, java project, flat map. And before going to in code, we'll see the difference also. So what is the difference of map and flat map? So if you see, the function passed to a map operation returns as a single value for a single input. As we have already discussed, this is going to return a single value for a single input. Flat map, the function you pass to a flat map operation returns a arbitrary number of value as the output. Means it's going to return any number, random number of a value as the output. One-to-one mapping occurs in map. Means that map will always contain one-to-one mapping. Flat map, it will always contain one-to-many mapping occurs in flat map. Map produced a stream of value. Flat map produced a stream of stream value. Map is used only for the transformation. Flat map is used for both for the transformation and mapping. So guys, this is the difference between map and flat map. This is a very important question which is normally in interview they used to ask what is the difference between map and flat map, and show me the example also, and you have to write also the code for the map and flat map, how is actually is work. So similarly we are going to write one code for this one, how flat map and map is a work. So you can see as per the diagram we have a parcel class. The parcel class, the item is we have a Amazon, the item we have laptop and phone. Okay, with the Amazon, from the Amazon laptop and phone we have a item order, and eBay we have a mouse and keyboard. So we are going to create one class parcel, and that parcel will put the one name. Okay, name and item. So name should be from the which brand we have a purchase, like a Amazon. Okay, and after that, this item name. So I'm going to create one simple class, new class, package name can be com dot parcel. So now the class I'm going to create a parcel. Now in that I'm going to write one string variable, means from the where that item is purchased, string brand name, I can see brand name. After that string, uh, that list we have. So if you see this list of item we have, so list parcel we are going to create. So here list, i want a string type of value in that. So I want that object as an item. So this variable I have created. Now this list need to be imported from the java.util. So I have imported. After that I'm going to create one constructor for this one. So here I can create a public parcel. After that I want this brand name also string brand name. After that we need string, okay, item we need items we need. So this constructor should be there. So this item I want list of item. So this one. Now I'm going to put this name as a this keyword. So before that this keyword I'm going to assign this variable, this dot brand name equal to brand name. After that this dot items equal to items. So we have a multiple items, so we are going to write in multiple items for this one. Now this item we have a list of item. So what we will do, that item is going to come as a array list. So we'll take this as a array list. So for this one we will use array dot edge list. Sorry, array dot edge list. We need constructor. So whatever that brand name and item, you can see as per the diagram, Amazon and list of item, phone and laptop. So all the item will come and this value will be assigned. Now here I want one kind of a getter, so it will return for me some item whenever I'll call. So get item, list of item I want, so this item is going to return. Now control shift format. Now after that I'm going to create one main class in this, and this main class is going to do all the operation inside. So now parcel object I want parcel object with Amazon. Okay, and after that new parcel I'm going to create an object of parcel. I passing some parameter. What parameter? This name Amazon laptop phone. So this I'm going to pass Amazon laptop, laptop and phone. So similarly I'm going to create one more new object for this one. So this is for eBay. Whatever we have a eBay, Amazon and eBay we have. So I'm going to create for eBay. What is the item for this one? Mouse and keyboard. So eBay, 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 mouse and keyboard. So mouse and keyboard will take. So now you can see Amazon and eBay, whatever that item we have, okay, we are storing that item and we are assigning that item to a constructor variable. So you can see, and that item we are going to get with getters. Now all this is we have a kind of a list of object. This list of object we have a Amazon, and Amazon is an object of parcel class, and that parcel class is having the item name, laptop and phone. Similarly EB also we have a mouse and keyboard. Now I'm going to create one kind of a list, and list will be nothing but like a list is nothing but parcel of list. Like a I want list which kind of data I want, parcel data. So I'll create a list of parcel type. After that whatever we have a parcels, so I'll create this parcel, and after that array as list, array as list, whatever that item we have a, I'm going to store into a this new array list. That list new array list is nothing but it's containing the parcel list object. So Amazon we have, and after that we have eBay. So now we are going to perform the data, perform the data with map. Okay, how map will work for with this data. So for this one I'm going to create a one like a stream, like a parcel. Whatever we have a parcels, I'm going to create one stream for this one, how to process the data with FlatMap and map. So this one we have I'll show you how map will work in with example and by code also, how the map will show the output data. So first we'll work on this part, and after that this part. So map, whatever we have a data, parcels data will process with stream, parcels dot stream dot map will use. Now that parcel class we have an object inside it. So parcel, now from for which data I want to perform the map operation. So I want to perform the data of item, from the item. So I'll do one thing, I'll take the data, whatever that item data is there, like laptop, phone, mouse and keyboard, I want to perform the map operation. So I'll do get item, and after that to collect whatever we have, I want to collect, and collectors dot to list, collectors, sorry, collectors to list. I want the data into a list format. Now I want one object for this all the data, so I'm going to create one object. That object is nothing but one list of a list data is going to be returned. So I'm going to get one list, inside also one more list, and inside that parcel list I want parcel. So now map order. Now there's a one mistake, I need to close one. Oh, so let me check what is the mistake. Change that map order to list string. Yes, sorry, I want this data into a string format, so that's why, because it will give the error message. You're not going to typecast the data, so we need the string. Yes, so now we'll see the output. What will be the output for this map? So, yes, so order item using map. So this data I'm going to display. Now we'll see how the data will reflect. So guys, you can see here the output, how this output came. If you are using map, as per the diagram, if you see, if you compare, you will come to know how this map is going to give output. Second, I'll show you now. Now you can see this is the output and this is the output. So laptop, phone, mouse, keyboard. If you are using a map, then it's going to display your data as a list only. List of a list data is going to display. So we have a two list, and same two list is going to display one list and one list. So this is one list data, this two list data. This list one data is going to display, and this list two data is going to display into a list. So now the difference you will see if I'll start working on this flat map, if I'll process data using flat map. So guys, you can see the clear difference. There is a two list, and we have used map, and the map also is going to show the two list. Now if I'll use with flat map, how that flat map will show the data. So for the simple things, order item using flat map. Now using map, now I'll put order item using flat map. Now you'll see the difference. Same thing, I'll copy paste. Now after that, I'll do some modification. Okay, this is a flat map, so I'll create a flat map. Now here we have a use map, and there we have to use flat map. So here you can see in the diagram we have used map also. After that we are going to use flat map. Okay, so here is fine. Here we are going to change. Here we have used collect. Here we are going to use flat map, then collect. So before collect we have to use flat map. So before collect means here we have to use dot flat map. I want the data into a stream. So flat map always, you can see with the definition, flat map will 1 second, and so your definition also, so it easily you will come to know. Produce the stream of a stream value. So why we are going to use, it's going to produce a data stream of a stream value. So you can see this flat map, I have used flat map. Now I want data, which kind of a collection data I want. Collections, COWACTI double L collection I want, and that collection I want stream, so I'll use stream here. And after that collect dot collector dot to list I'll use. Now it's giving the error message, change the flat map to a list stream. So here I am going to change the data I want into a single list. I don't want to a list of list data. You can see the previous output was came like this. The data was showing two list. Why it was showing two list? Because we have used map, the one region, another region. This map is going to return the data as a list of list data. So list of list data, but here I want the output will be always one single list. This single list will be output, so we want only one list. We don't want any another list also. So what will you use? You will remove one list and will remove one generic, and after that you'll see the output. So guys, what output will be there? It will be a single list. So I'm running this. You can see order item using map. We have two list, and that two list we have two items, two different items. But here you can see order item using flat map. Whenever I'm using this flat map, this two list is going to merge into a single list. If you see the definition in simple words, what I have had mentioned, it is used to display the list of list data into a single list. You can see it is a used flat map. When we have used flat map, it is used to display the list of list data, this list and this list of list data. This list and this list is inside of one of another list. So we have a one outer list, and outer list, from the outer list we have two inner list. This is going to display the list of a list data. This list of a list data is a list of a whatever list of a list data, this two list data we have into a single list. So we have a one single list, and this data is there, is going to display into a single list. That we can say like a, it's a combining the items into a single list. So these are the things guys. Flat map and map is a very important question. You have to do practice for this flat map and map. So thanks for watching this video guys. Thanks.